Here is my automatic label dispenser. You can see all these little rods, the way they're arranged is in order to keep enough tension to where this blade at the end can separate the label from the sheet. Rod over here that it wraps around the supply, some little bearings to guide it. These are actually roller skate wheels. And then what you see here covered in tape are IR brake beam sensors. It's using the little holes in the label to align itself, because as the diameter on that shaft changes, it'll have to take a different amount of steps in order to get the same result. The reason they are covered in tape is to change the sensitivity of them. As you can see, this paper is kind of translucent. So the brake beam sensor needs to have a different sensitivity both for reading the gap and also reading the paper and solely the label paper. All have slightly different opaqueness. So when we go in the middle here, we can see the little baby stepper motor geared up to a larger wheel with some bearings to get enough torque to be able to pull it through all of these windings. And upon turning it on, we got our yellow idle light, show that it's not running. When I press the button, that'll turn off and it starts running. Both IR brake beam sensors are falling edge interrupts. One, this will hit, interrupt, and then rotate just slightly longer so that there's no interference from that edge. And then once one is here, the next interrupt will occur once it is removed. So now you see, as soon as I removed it, it starts moving again to dispense the next label. We got our label. And you can see if I hit the button again at any time, it'll act as a sort of emergency stop if there were to be some sort of paper jam, so I'll just hit it now. The idle light comes on, that yellow light, and it stops in its tracks. This can also be helpful if you need to load and reload without rebooting the whole system. But when I press it again, it just keeps going.